Hey, how's it going? And today this is just a super quick tip to remind you not to forget the color space that you're working in. So this is just a standard Mixamo rig, comes in the standard material. If I just click these and go to Principal BSDF, you see a big difference in how it renders out. What you want to do is you want to hit D and then you go to CS for color space. Most of the time it won't. It's usually, I think, set in the default where you're completely in linear space. All you got to do is go to quick, if you're working on a computer monitor, and I assume most everyone is, you just have to go to quick preset and go to sRGB, and that puts you in the correct color space to be rendering out, and 95% of the time you'll be fine just by using that preset. I did a video a while ago called Basic Compositing. Gosh, that was almost 3 years ago, but I actually had made that mistake of not being in the right color space, and so I actually put this message on the video is don't forget to press D, go to CS tab, and make sure your color space is set to sRGB. And that's especially true if you're working on a computer monitor, because you would be an sRGB. That's all I had for today, is just don't forget your color space. So take care, have a great day, and I will talk to you next time.